Yeah, hey guys, my name is Victor, and today I'd like to show you how to transfer money from your e-wallet um to another wallet. So let's say I want to make a transfer to Titi Delu. I come here, I click on phone transfer, and when it loads up, I want to transfer to Titi Delu. Yeah, I'm sending her $20. Transaction note could be anything. Yeah. So once I'm done, I click on submit. Now you have to be very careful at this point. Not careful. It's not a big deal. For the first time, if you're trying to perform a transaction for the first time, I think this is some kind of security check. So what you need to do at this point is you go to your app, your Google Play Store app, and download what we call this Google Authenticator. Now, once you download that, it's going to ask you to scan, download and open the app, and it's going to ask you to scan a barcode. So I'm going to scan this barcode now. Yeah, so I scanned the barcode and it's generated a code on my phone. Unfortunately, you can't see that on my phone right now. So, but I have the code, so I'm going to enter that code right now, and let's see, submit. Um, Hit on the submit button. Yep, fund transfer successful. So that's basically how to transfer funds. At any point in time, when you try to perform any new transaction, it asks you for authentication. So you can always download the Google Authenticator app on your phone, and you scan the barcode, generates a code on your phone. So whenever you try to make any transaction, it's going to generate a new code on the Google Authenticator app. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.